When you say home, it means family. When you say family, it means love. If there is no love, there is no family. The essence of having a family is love, is compassion, is joy, is togetherness, is inclusiveness, and there's a lot of other things, aspects as well. But अगर ये primary चीज नहीं है, if there is no love in the family, obviously automatically there'll be a lot of friction, there'll be a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of frustration within the family, and there's a lot of aspects that we can go into. Primarily, the home environment is very very important as far as mental health is concerned. You know, it is a thing in life, you know, मतलब ये फैमिली है तो मतलब एक इंक्लूसिवनेस होना ही चाहिए, एक लव तो होना ही चाहिए, मतलब उसके बाद ही सब कुछ होगा ना. Only when there is love in the family, after that, you know, the growth will happen, the success will happen, the whatever prosperity will happen, the abundance will happen. If there is no love, there is no does not make sense to have a family, to be in the family. सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि ये मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए ज़रूरी है. दिस इज़ अ बेसिक नीड of a human being, that if he is part of a family, there should be love, there should be togetherness. Mental health तो बाद में आता है भाई. Mental health जब आता है, when it comes to mental health, then it really becomes important to check, you know, what is happening within the family, how things are happening. Firstly, if anybody is going through this, firstly you need to check on yourself. You do not need to question your family members कि आप ऐसे हो वैसे हो. First you need to question yourself, what are the things that you can fix within yourself, externally and internally, so that you know you can feel more calmer and at peace. Once that happens, still there is, you think, you know, there is, the energy is not right, the vibe is not right, then you can, you know, observe, you know, what is happening within the family. Is there too many fights happening? Is there too many quarrels happening? Is there, you know, blame game happening? Is there too many gossiping happening? बहुत ज़्यादा टीवी चल रहा है घर पे, मतलब टीवी में जो चलेगा वही घर पे होने वाला है, सिंपल है. टीवी में जो आपके चल रहा है वही घर पे होने वाला है. सो फैमिली इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट देर हैज़ टू बी लव, देर हैज़ टू बी जॉय, देर हैज़ टू बी टुगेदरनेस, देर हैज़ टू बी इंक्लूसिवनेस, देर हैज़ टू बी कंपैशन. ये सब चीज़ें नहीं है तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज होंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली होंगे. सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. थैंक यू.